Have you ever been stuck trying to make your Angular application work, only to be hit with an error that leaves you scratching your head? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Angular's HTTP property and how to troubleshoot it. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to implement a feature and an error pops up out of nowhere. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with Angular. Let's take a closer look at the specific issue at hand. One user recently asked, why does the retryWhen property not exist on type Observable? They were trying to retry requests to refresh a token but ran into an error. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this error? The issue often arises from the fact that the retryWhen operator is not available on the observable type being used. We'll break down the steps to resolve this so you can get back to coding. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid similar issues in the future. To resolve the issue with the retryWhen property, the user should first ensure they are importing the correct observable from the right package. In Angular, the retryWhen operator is part of the RxJS library. Next, the user needs to update the method to use the pipe function. This is essential because operators like retryWhen are now used within the pipe method in RxJS version 6 and above. After that, the user should implement the logic inside the retryWhen operator. This operator allows the user to define how to handle errors and retry the request. Finally, the user should test the updated code to ensure that the retry mechanism works as expected. They can do this by simulating an error response from the server. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Angular was released in 2010? We've come a long way since then, but errors like these can still trip us up. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests a different import method for Observable. They found that importing Observable from RxJS Rx works more consistently than importing from RxJS Observable, which sometimes caused issues. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your libraries updated and familiarize yourself with the latest features. This habit can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. You should now be able to use the retryWhen operator without any issues. Remember, staying updated and understanding your tools is key. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video on optimizing Angular performance.